So this is NitrogenOS based on Android Pie for Redmi Note 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how is it. I just installed it, and to flash it you just need to have unlocked bootloader, you just need to have official TWRP cover installed, and then you just need to flash the ROM and the G apps. And if you have not flashed any Pie ROMs yet, like it's the first time you are flashing Android Pie based ROM, you need to format the storage once, so keep that in mind. And I feel the ROM is fine, but the stock launcher over here is the basic Pixel launcher, which is like really stock one, not the modified one. So you don't get a Google Now card to the left, and even if you swipe down it won't get you the notification panel, so it doesn't have any kind of customizations. Let me show you the launcher settings. As you can see, it's pretty clean, there are no customizations as such. And to the bottom we have this navigation panel, which is still like looks like Android Oreo, but we do not have the navigation gestures of Android Pie over here. I tried to find it in the settings, like for the navigation button, like a special thing of Android Pie, but I could not simply find it. So let me just go into the settings. By the way, the quick settings panel, as you can see, it has this green kind of tint over here, as you can see, and I have like went to the display settings, but I could not find the color changing option. There is only, let me just show you, if you go to device theme, as you can see there is only light and dark option, which is for the UI. And if you like set it to dark, where is it, I have set it to dark, and as you can see it just changes the quick settings panel color, so it does not change the whole settings UI color as of now. And what else, night light is there and it just works fine, as you can see. Let me just turn it off and go back. Adaptive brightness is there, which is the auto brightness. We have the double tap to wake, which just works fine. And let me just go back. So no accent colors customizations as of now. And here is the system, and here is the NitrogenOS personalization panel, as you can see. So I'll show it to you later on this video. Let me just go into system, advanced, and we just don't see the gesture option over here because that is inside the customizations. I'll show it to you later on. Let me just go into about phone, but before that, as you can see here, you have the NitrogenOS logo in the system panel, like on top. And in about phone, if I just go into here, Android version is Android version 9, as you can see, it does this hallucinating stuff. Let me just go back. The security patch is of September 5th, 2018, latest as of now. And here is a build number. So let me just go back, but as you can see, this is the, like this is based on the derp plus kernel. This is the stock kernel, by the way, and this is the 24th September 2018 build of NitrogenOS for Whyred or Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's just go back, and if I go to personalizations, here as you can see we have bunch of customizations, but it's not as much as you can expect from Oreo. And like when you go inside each one, you will notice that the customizations here, as you can see, we have the status bar customizations. Let me just go into here, we have the headset, Bluetooth, etc. icon enabling option over here. Let's just go back, and I could not find the brightness adjustment by the by swiping on the status bar, which like is not there as of now, I think so, because I could not find it. Let me just go to quick settings. You can change the opacity of it. Let me just do it, and as you can see, it just makes it a little bit transparent. We have the brightness slider option and some other options like vibrate on touch and stuff. Let's just go back. So in buttons we have the volume rockers customization, as you can see, playback control, volume rocker wake and stuff. Let's go back. We have the navigation bar. Here, from here, as you can see, you can enable the navigation bar, and we have some nav bar customizations, like you can change the layout, I guess. So let's just go back again. In gestures, you will see this AOSP gesture, which you find in system of Pixel Experience ROM, but over here if you go into it, you won't see the swipe up home gesture, which is pretty disappointing, but I think it may be added in the future updates, of course. And one more thing that I want to talk about, if you open like two apps, and let me just show you. If you like do this, as you can see, this like the recent apps panel is still like looks like audio, and which is pretty disappointing again, but I think this might be fixed in the future updates. So yeah, let's go back. So no swipe up gesture. Here we have the navigation gesture, as you can see, but if I go back, and it says it needs to be like you have to disable the navigation bar. And even if I disable it, let me just show you. Even if I disable it, if I just try to go back like this, as you can see, it does not go back. I don't know why, but if you do this, it will go into home, as you can see. And if you tap and hold it, as you can see, it just opens the recent apps panel. So it's kind of broken. I mean, the full screen gestures are kind of a little bit broken. So let's just go back. We have the screen off power button torch. Let me just show you. As you can see, it just works super fine, no issues whatsoever. And we have the status bar, double tap to sleep. As you can see, it works super fine. Let's go back. We have lock screen customizations. We have lock screen charging info, fingerprint authentication vibration, face auto unlock is there and works just fine. You don't have to worry. Let's go back. We have power menu customizations, and from here let me just show you. We do have the advanced reboot option here, so you don't have to worry about advanced reboot or booting into recovery directly. So let's go back. Recent apps panel. We have the clear all button, which I have shown you already. Here, as you can see, we have the clear all button, but no RAM status as of now. So some features are missing, but I'm okay with it. And I've shown you the recent apps panel. Let's go into notifications. We have the heads up option. You can disable heads up from here, and you can like customize the notification light, which is only white colored, but still you will see these colors, which is like not true. And let's go back. Vibrate on connect, like in-call vibration stuff over here. And what else? In miscellaneous, you can like disable the wake up on charge if you don't like it. So that's pretty much it for the customizations as of now. We have digital well-being and stuff over here. I don't know about the battery life because I just flashed this ROM, but the battery life should be good enough, like mostly like will be close enough to Pixel Experience ROM, pretty sure, because it's based on the derp kernel too. And the stock camera over here is like pretty basic Google camera, which I really don't like. As you can see, this is like straight from 2015, I guess. So I don't like it, but you can like literally flash the Mi A2 camera app if you flash Magisk and stuff, so you don't have to worry. And if you want to use the Mi A2 camera app and the GC Cam mod, which supports portrait mode at the same time, watch this video from this card. And VoLTE and stuff work super fine. Let me just show you. It does not have the VoLTE logo, by the way, but VoLTE does work super fine. But there is no countdown, like no timer if the call starts. So yeah, VoLTE does work super fine. You don't have to worry about VoLTE. And let me like open some apps and show you the app opening speeds. So as you can see, app open up speeds are fine, and if I open like some apps from memory, it opens right away, as you can see. So there is no issues with the app open up speeds or the memory management. So this was a quick video about the NitrogenOS Pi build for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let me know in the comments below what else do you want to see, and well, let me just set up the Google Pay and see if it works. So as you can see, Google Pay simply does not work like without Magisk. It just says Google Pay can't be used on this device because this is not an official ROM as of now, I guess. So that's why the problem is there. So it will be fixed in the future updates, I guess, pretty sure. But if you flash Magisk and use Magisk Hide for Google Pay, it should be fine, like it should be working fine. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.